In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make music like Rufus du Sol. Whether you're an aspiring music producer or just curious about the process, I'll guide you through creating a track inspired by Rufus du Sol's signature sound. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to install a digital audio workstation, commonly known as a DAW. This is the software where you'll create and arrange your music. Some popular options include Ableton Live, FL Studio, Logic Pro, Cubase, and Studio One. Each of these has its own strengths and quirks, so choose one that suits your workflow and comfort level. Once you've got your DAW up and running, open it and create a new project. This is your blank canvas ready for your musical ideas. Next, let's set the project tempo. For a track inspired by Rufus du Sol, you'll want the tempo between 118 and 124 beats per minute. This range captures their energetic yet laid-back vibe. Make sure your time signature is set to 4/4, which is standard for most electronic music and gives that steady, danceable feel. With the tempo in place, let's move on to creating a drum pattern. Start by adding a kick drum. Place it on beats 1, 2, 3, and 4 of each measure. This gives your track a solid backbone. Next, add a clap or snare on beats 2 and 4, providing a nice rhythmic accent. Now sprinkle in closed hi-hats on every 8th or 16th note. These add texture and help fill out the rhythm. For a bit more groove, layer in shakers or percussion sounds. This combination is crucial for developing that deep, driving pulse characteristic of Rufus du Sol's music. Now that we have a rhythm section, it's time to add a bass line. Start by loading a deep bass synth into your project. You'll want something rich and full-bodied. Write a straightforward bass line that complements your track's chord progression. The bass line doesn't need to be overly complex. Sometimes simplicity captures the mood perfectly. To add dynamism, apply sidechain compression to the bass. This technique causes the bass to slightly duck in volume when the kick drum hits, creating a pumping effect that adds movement and ensures the kick rhythm stands out in the mix. These steps give you a solid foundation to channel the essence of Rufus du Sol in your music. Take your time experimenting with each element, adjusting parameters to your liking. Music production is an art, and every detail counts. Now that you have these essential components, continue adding layers, maybe pads or melodies, to truly make the track your own while keeping that inspirational core. Keep refining and adjusting until it feels right. That's it for today's guide. I hope you found these steps helpful, and that you're excited to continue crafting your own music inspired by Rufus du Sol. Happy producing!